I heard that the farther the lid is lost, the more steady you fly. What I want to introduce to you now is DJI Mini 3 UAV. Its lens supports the function of vertical screen shooting. The whole body adopts folding fuselage. Open it and take a look at the overall structure of Mini 3. This is a big eye designed with obstacle avoidance function. 2 obstacles ahead, 2 obstacle avoidance at the bottom and 2 obstacle avoidance at the top. Place flat ground. The remote control clicks on the arrow to take off. Click to take off. It will automatically rise to a safe height of 1.2 meters. Look at this hover effect, very good. We spin the plane once. The stability is also very good. A little lower. Lower again. Come and adjust the camera. Look at this picture, 20 million pixels is very clear. Let's feel an effective vertical screen mode. This is vertical screen mode. Let's switch to the horizontal screen now. It can fly 500 meters high and 12 kilometers away. The battery life is 47 minutes on a single battery. Let's fly it high and far away after flying deep in the jungle. Turn off the remote control and see if it will automatically return home. Let's test it. Let's adjust the camera first. This pixel is quite clear. You can rotate once, look at this view. Very beautiful and clear. With zoom function. Quad zoom, take a look. If there are birds in the trees now, you can shoot it clearly. Now change it back. Let's test it now. Turn off the remote control. See what happens to it. I turn off the remote control directly. We throw the remote control in the trash can. See? Just put it in the trash can. See if it can return home successfully. This drone, with GPS positioning function, it can be realized low power return, lost return, one-click return. And has intelligent following function, you can follow people or cars. And there is time-lapse photography. Master level lens. It can be seen that it has successfully flown back to our takeoff point. We can just wait for it to return now. It is also suitable for beginners to fly, and it is very simple to operate. The plane has successfully returned home. Support 20 million pixels of video and 48 million pixels of photos. We catch it with our hands. Very good.